What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be exposing the average, what is it called? Flippin' AUT player. So yeah, hopefully y'all enjoy this, cause I never do AUT for one specific reason. The game is really bad. I'm sorry, all AUT fans that watch my channel, but it's really bad. It needs to. First of all, we got time stops. One of the stands in PvP have like a 10-second time stop for some odd reason. How are you gonna give a stand like a 10-second time stop? That's one reason why I don't like this game. I don't like the fact where I have to try to the point where I'm literally sweating. Actually, bro. And even when I'm sweating, I just get time stopped and my HP is gone. Like, for example, if I fight the stand, I'm gonna show y'all. But, it's either D4C Love Train or like a time stop stand. When somebody tries to use something else, they get completely clobbered. Obviously, I'm using Broly, and Broly is a M1 based thing. Even though it has long range attacks, it's either medium range. And the long range attacks either have terrible aim on long range, or they just literally do no damage. The meteor. I said the meteor. I'm sorry. Flippin' not the meteor. But the planet thing does no damage. I mean, it does damage, but look. Let's see what this man's gonna be using. Oh, Gojo. Okay. See, this is. So if I lose, it's understandable, all right? As long as he's not running. He's gonna try to M1 me, which is one weakness that Broly doesn't have. Alright. We're continuing. Alright, let's use Planet Bomb. Please get hit by this. Okay, that move has extremely big hitbox. You see what I mean? By the time I chuck that out... Oh, I thought I was gonna grab him. Blow up. Use this. Alright, let me use Super Saiyan. Alright, let's see. Can we body him with this? Let's see how fast it takes. Let's see how fast. Oh, crap. Okay, that did some damage. Grab him. Do this. Yo, we were about to combo extend off that. Breath. See, this is why I don't like using that move sometimes. It's just it's a good move to use in neutral, but at the same time, it's not. Oh, I thought he was still bugged. I was about to say. Let's use Planet Bomb. Thought I was gonna hit him with that. Alright. Ow, that hurt. Now, I'm going to be explaining why AUT kind of is like a bad game, but I don't really want to put any hate on it, but the thing is, they kind of did this in the game itself. They added a stand that has a 0-second time stop. Okay, what did he just do? Okay. Oh, let me use this. What in the world? Oh, what in the world? Oh, okay. That did no damage. Okay. Okay, I need to block. Like, I literally forget there's an F key on my thing. But I don't like that block spam. That's the thing. He's gonna try to get behind me, right? You get right here. Bro, what? What is the cooldown on that, first of all, bro? I'm just blocking. I'm blocking you. I'm blocking you until you decide to use that move. Watch him. He's gonna try to punish me. Watch. I'm trying to be on guard for him. Okay, what the heck is happening? Okay, he doesn't even need it to use that. Okay. Okay, well, he missed that. Oh, Lord. Dash. What? Gets hit by that. Finally, gosh, damn. Oh my god, bro. What is this? Stunned him for a second. Oh, he's stunned again? Bro, what is this? He's stunned! What? You see what I'm saying? What? Bro, what? No, bro. This is so bogus, bro. You see what I'm saying, bro? And then, okay, I'm gonna use something that actually has decent range. I'm gonna use something that actually has decent range. Cause you see that whole time he was just blocking. But that doesn't matter, I guess. I guess it's my fault that I lost. I'm gonna try to use Killua, because Killua has decent range. And I probably would have won if I was using Killua. Now, I'm not saying Killua was stronger than Broly, just that fight was on his side, because he just started. It's alright, it's okay. You can run in every game, so that's not a problem. Alright, let's see what he uses. If he uses D for his left turn, this will prove my point. Okay, it's Tusk. It's... Okay. Oh my gosh. One. Two. Oh my gosh. Yep. 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh! Come here! Is Godspeed just not working? What in the world? Never mind. It is working. What? I swear. Oh, I did press E. Okay. It put in the okay. Of course. No, bro. Bro, do you see what I'm saying? Now, why'd I use that? Because, see, I don't want him to do the combos anymore. Why can't you just barrage back? You see what? This is just... That's all you need. Just literally If you're gonna get off that horse. Come on. Yep. Get hit by that. Wait a minute. How did I get hit by that? What? Oh, thank you. Okay, that was late input. Why is he combo? Why is he extending out my move? One reason I'm losing right now is because I'm lagging and doing this thing. Weave. Ooh, yep. Last week, no, this. I need this. Why am I not in iframes after? Oh my God. Why is he still? Not running into it. Gosh. No. Back up. So I thought that was off the damage fault. Yep. Cheesing me, I'ma cheese you. What move is it? Okay, I thought that was off. I thought my snake awakeness was off cooldown, so that's my fault. Can you just come here? Can you come here, bro? And watch. It's the same thing over and over. What? And I just glitched off the map. I don't know if it's me or anything, but I just literally cannot play this game at all. It's either somebody runs or your M1s don't work and they get out of them. It's just... Get your game better. Like, just a quality of life update is not going to be enough. And this M1 System V3 is not good either. Like, bro, just fix the game. Please. And stop adding new... And we don't need new stands. Buff the old ones. Please. AUT. Dang, bro. You're probably never gonna see another video on this unless y'all said, if y'all really want this, get 5 likes and then I'll do it again. I promise. Without further ado, peace and see you next video.